Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen once again. My name is Onyude, and if today is your first time of joining me, then you are welcome. Welcome to my kitchen once again. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate. May God bless you all. My channel is a young channel. It's new, a year now, so I want you guys to help me grow the channel. Okay, share the video, comment, make it grow, and the Lord will bless you all. So on today's video, I'm going to be making a special dish from my town, from my local government, and from Enugu state, Awgu to be precise. And if you know Awgu people, they are mainly known for making Abacha. Abacha is our signature dish. Okay, I prepared the Abacha before, but the ingredient then wasn't complete. But on today's recipe, I have everything complete. You can add more, like there's something, a local dish itself I'm going to be making in my channel. I don't think everybody knows it. It's called Iho. The people from Awgu town will know it. It's called Iho. Iho is made with a melon. Okay, this is melon cake. We use Iho. People snack on it, but in my town we use it mostly for eating Abacha. I'm going to be teaching you how to make that Iho. It's a special dish that they don't prepare it all the time. You can only see it during Christmas time or wedding, traditional marriage. So that is the only thing that is remaining in this dish today. So, but I have other ones that I did not have the first time I prepared Abacha. So I'm going to show you how Awgu people, Isuawa people prepare Abacha. So this is our main dish today. It's called Abacha when it's prepared, but this is actually cassava, Yucca. You know, in a more creative way, there's a way to prepare it for it to be in this stage. So it's already prepared. So what I'm going to do is to soak it in warm water or hot water. The one that requires hot water is the one that is hard, like this one. It's hard and thick. There's some that's just warm water. You sprinkle it on it and it will be soft. Okay, but this particular one, you have to use hot water to do it. We boil water, we put the Abacha in and allow it to soak for like 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Then we pour it in a drainer for it to drain, for the water to drain out. So that is how you prepare it. By the time you are done, it's going to be soft. Okay, it will not be dry like this. So when you add your ingredients, it will absorb the ingredients. So these are the ingredients for the Abacha. Here I have oil, red oil, which is the main ingredient for Abacha. Red oil. Then I have other ingredients. I have this one I did not use. So I told you this is, some people will call it black beans. It's like a green beans in nature, but the seed is harvested and dried. So this seed is actually purple in color, but by the time it's dried up, it looks like a black beans. Okay, it's a beans as you see. We use it for Abacha. It is one of the major ingredients we use when we are preparing a party Abacha for traditional marriage and for Christmas. So we add beans in our own Akidi. Igbo people calls it, this is Akidi seed. Okay, I am going to be adding it. The last time I made Abacha, I did not use it. It's cooked. Okay, it's cooked and soft. Okay, look at it. So this is how you cook it. You cook it the way you cook your beans. Let it soften. You can drain the water the first time so that it will not be too thick. Okay, the water will not be too thick. Then the second time you add another water, then you add some salt, then not too much, add some salt. So this is one of the major ingredients for our dish today. Here I have other ingredients that I didn't use. This is garden egg leaf. I've chopped this one. So this is the leaf. Angara. It is called angara in Igbo language. I've chopped some, okay, for garnishing. Some onions for garnishing. So this is the seed from this leaf, okay. It's garden egg. It's called mboli. In my dialect, we call it mboli. We use it for abacha. Okay, it's bitter. Even this one, because it's from the seed, is from this, so it's bitter in nature, but not too bitter. Okay. Then I have some cooked cow skin, bomo. I chopped this one. Okay, we pour it inside. I'm telling you, I said that we are doing party style abacha today for traditional marriage. Okay, this is how Awgu people prepare their abacha for traditional marriage. And here I have the cow skin. I'm going to be using it for garnishing. Okay, we are going to be adding this right into the abacha. But this one, I'm going to use it for garnishing. Then I have a crayfish, little oporo crayfish fried. I toasted it so it's crunchy. We use it for our abacha. Okay, so I have for seasoning, I have cubes, not cubes. I have our salt. So I have one major ingredient that I don't have here now. Is one of the major ingredients for abacha, and it's called the oil bean, Ukpaka. Okay, I still have it, so I'm going to get it ready. So but this is basically what we are going to use for our abacha today. So this is what makes our abacha, Isuawa abacha, special. Don't go anywhere, I will be right back. So now we are ready to begin our abacha, special abacha, party style abacha preparation. So we start by I told you we are going to soften this. So I've boiled some water. I'm going to add it. I'm using boiled water because this abacha is strong. Sometimes you don't need the water to be boiled, because if you use boiled water, it will spoil it. This one I bought it in a store, American store. So some of it is so hard, very dry. So this one is dry. So that is why I'm using hot water. Okay, you have to soften the abacha, and that is what you do. So you see, it stays strong. I'm not going to allow it to soak too much water, or it will not be good. We want it fluffy, okay, soft and fluffy. Sometimes you drain it when it stays strong, but the heat will continue to soften it. It will continue to cook, okay. So right now it's ready. I'm going to drain it. I've made abacha before, so the first one I made, I ran water, hot tap water over it, because it's not too strong. But this particular one, I need to boil water. So I'm getting it off so that the water will start draining. Okay. I'm gonna squeeze out some water. Use flat stuff to squeeze out some water. Is this squeeze it so that there will be no water. It will not soak too much. Okay. Place it, so I'm going to let it drain. See? So this is what we want. It's hot. So I'm going to use spoon. Drain your. So this is how you soak your abacha. Get it ready. Okay, so that it will cool down. You are not frying it. You are not cooking it. You want it to a little warm, even cold, before you add the oil. Okay, so that it will not look like a fried abacha. We don't fry our abacha. We can fry abacha, but traditional, the way we make it, we don't fry abacha. So look at the soaked abacha, okay? It is very soft now and it's ready. It's a little warm, but it's not hot. You don't have to do it when it's hot. Okay, so this is what we want, soaked but fluffy. Okay, but before then, I want to introduce the other ingredient I told you that I forgot. So this is called oil bean, Ukpaka in Igbo language. This is one of the major ingredients for abacha. Before you add other ones like cow skin or crayfish, they're just for garnishing, okay? But this is the ingredient that goes with abacha. We'll have to add it. Okay, so I've prepared it. As you can see, it's oily. See, yes, it's frozen, but if you have a fresh one, you don't have to do it this way. Okay, you don't have to fry it a little. Okay, but sometimes when we're making that big abacha for marriages, we do it this way so that it can last longer and not, it's beans. Okay, this is oil bean, so it's beans, so you can get it can start decaying easily and get the food, okay, spoiled easily. So we did this way to preserve it. So another thing is that in my community, we don't prepare abacha with chili just like that. We have to toast it. Every house has a toasted chili. Look at it, okay? Chili flakes is toasted or roasted, okay? So because the flavor is a different thing and it also adds color. So this is toasted chili flakes. You don't toast it in your house, okay? You do it outside where there's air, okay, so that it will not choke. Okay, if you do it inside your house, you will get choked. Okay, so right now I'm going to start our abacha. So what I do first is to add the chili. Add as much as you want. Okay, then salt. Be careful with your salt because you have salt in the black beans, Akidi. Okay, so be careful with salt. So I'm going to add Ukpaka, the oil bean. Okay, then we'll add our oil. Told you we need oil for this. Okay, so when you want to prepare abacha, make sure you have oil, enough oil. So right now I'm going to use my hand. We don't use spoon, use hand. Okay, so that we can mix it properly. So this is how we make abacha. I told you I have another video and it's well detailed. Okay, it is well detailed. I'm doing this because I didn't have some of the ingredients I am using today, so that is why I'm repeating it. So this is the full one. This is how it is, how you make it. So as you can see, I don't have much oil. I'm going to add more. So this is the abacha right now. Before you add Akidi, the beans, it has to come to this stage and you taste it and see that everything, that it tastes good. Then we add our beans. We add it gradually so that we don't add too much. We have to let the star ingredients shine. Okay. Then we mix it up. It makes it rich. This is balanced diet because this is, we have starch, which is the Yucca cassava, the Abacha. Then we have all these beans and proteins. We've added enough Akidi, okay? Right now, I'm going to add the chopped cow skin. Mix it up together. Before adding the crayfish, because crayfish has a thorns, so it will not pierce your skin. So I'm going to add the crayfish. It tastes so good with crayfish. So this is how my people prepares Abacha. Now you can add your garden egg, okay? This is the right time to add it before even crayfish, but I want it for talking about mboye, okay? It's time to add it inside, but I'm going to be using it for garnishing, okay? Mix it up together, okay? You taste as you prepare, okay? Now look at our Abacha. We are done. And it's delicious, as you can see. Everything is in the right proportion. This is Awgu recipe. We are coming to the end of this video. I want you to share it, comment. It's actually delicious. Okay, look at it, balanced. Look at the beans, look at the protein. Okay, it's balanced. Share the video. Okay, now it's time for me to plate our food and garnish it for presentation. Garnishing is optional. Then we have our cow skin. Our cow skin. Okay. Then our angara, garden egg leaves. So this is our platter. Okay, doesn't it look delicious? It's original, authentic. If you want to learn how to eat abacha without account potash, this is how to make it. I'm from Awgu, and Awgu people is known for their special skill of making abacha. Okay, people come for traditional marriage just to from far just to taste our abacha. I am done, and as you can see, it is successful. Okay, so we are coming to the end of this video. Please subscribe, share to help your sister Onyinye. Okay, look at it, delicious abacha, authentic abacha. Everything is there. You have the beans, you have the greens, you have the vegetables, you have the crayfish. So you can see the crayfish. Okay, so it makes it rich. Okay, you can use a fish instead of a cow skin. Okay, so but this is how Awgu people prepare their traditional abacha for marriages and for Christmas, for parties. Okay, I'll be seeing you in my next video. May God keep you, preserve you all. Bye.